Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C63 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So this is the step which you have to complete if you'd like to download the app from a different source than the Play Store. So for example, from your browser. So all we have to do is to open the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the apps. Then let's tap on Special App Access, and here in this list we have to find Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see, this is the list of the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I want to install an app from Chrome. So let me tap on Chrome and then tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.